have Willie Kearns with Smartpath Technology with us this afternoon. He's going to answer your computer questions, so give us a call if you're having problems. The number is 1-888-208-6946. And first we're going to talk about the weather in our computers because it can affect a whole lot of stuff, right?
Oh yeah, definitely. You know, one thing that we see a lot this time of year is problems related to storms and problems related to lightning. And you know, that's really not just computers, but electronics as a whole. You know, you always hear of lots of lightning problems with televisions, that kind of thing. But computers and network equipment especially are very susceptible to lightning. So, you know, just some common things. You want to make sure that you have a surge protector. A lot of people will go and they'll buy a power strip, and it's not a surge protector. So you want to make sure when you're purchasing power protection that you do look and it says that it is a surge protector. And you also probably, for your computers and your router, your network equipment, it's not a bad idea to look at a battery backup. A battery backup not only provides that power protection of a surge protector, but it also lets your computer or your equipment continue to run in the event of a power outage, so that, for example, if you are working on a document or editing a picture, you can finish that, get it saved, and get your computer shut down properly. So, good idea to have a battery backup and definitely have a surge protector. One other thing to remember with power protection, if the best kind of power protection in a storm, if it's possible, is just to unplug your equipment, whether it's TV, DVD player, or computer equipment. Obviously, if you can have it unplugged, that's by far the best power protection.
Better safe than sorry. All right, we have a caller now from Carterville who wants to know, should he get the Windows 10 update? He has Windows 7 now.
That's really a good question. Windows 10 is set to be released here in a couple of months. People who have Windows 8 automatically get a free upgrade to Windows 10. If you're on Windows 7, you're probably going to have to purchase the upgrade to Windows 10, but definitely a good idea to do it. What you're going to see over time, you take a year, 2 years from now, is that software and the programs you use are all going to be written for Windows 10. So good idea to probably go on and update, provided that your computer or the manufacturer of your computer releases Windows 10 drivers and Windows 10 software, which they probably will. Windows 10, has a lot of positive things. It looks like one of the big things people didn't like in Windows 8 was they took the desktop away. That's coming back in Windows 10, and it definitely looks like a good product. Looks like Microsoft did a good job this time.
All right, we have another caller, this one from Mayfield. They have Windows 7, and he says when he tries to clear out space, it shuts down on him. What can he do?
That could be a number of different things. What I would look at specifically though is what you're doing to clear out space. I assume that you're probably trying to go in, delete files, that kind of thing. If it gives you any kind of messages before it shuts down, that would be a good starting point to see what those messages are. If you're just literally deleting files and your computer turns off, then that could be more of a physical problem. That would probably be something though if you wanted to call our office at Smartpath or call your local computer repair person who you use. They may be able to walk you through, see what's actually happening as you go through the process, and that's probably the best idea.
All right, well, Willie's going to be here in our second half hour, so if your question didn't get answered, he will be back. Don't worry. All right. Well